By the way, folks, while we're at it, great.
Go.
That is so scary.
Just stay out of their way.
Nobody said it was going to be easy for us, but we will never be stopped. Never, ever be stopped. I want to thank the Secret Service. These guys are fantastic. They don't get enough credit.